Good morning children, welcome to the online class for the academic year 2021 to 20. Now we will start our class with the first lesson, that is our earth in the solar system. Our earth in the solar system. We completed our summer vacation. In the summer vacation, generally we prefer to spend some time in the night time in our terrace. Is it right? At the time, if we observe so many twinkling objects in the sky. So many twinkling objects. Along with that, we observe the moon also, which is very bright. Okay, then. In the morning time, welcome to the morning time, we can't see this twinkling objects and moon in the daytime. Is it right? Because the heat and light of the sun is very high. In that brightness and in the heatness of the sun, we can't feel and we can't see, we can't observe that twinkling objects and that moon. Some objects have they emit light and heat. That objects we call them as a stars. What do we call that? Twinkling objects which give light and heat, that we call it as a stars. What do we call that? We call it as a stars. Sun is also a star to us. But if we say in the night, we are able to see the sun only. In the night time, what we are observing, the twinkling objects, that stars, we won't get any light and heat from that sun, stars. Why? Because they are very far away from our earth, where we live. Where we live, that earth is very far away from that stars. So that means what we have to understand, what we should understand, the sun is a nearest star to us. What is the nearest star to our earth? That is a sun. Okay. In this sun, for these stars, there are so many number of stars are there in the universe. In the universe, there are number of stars. Some stars form as a galaxies, and these galaxies are there. Number of galaxies are there in a universe. In universe, stars. A group of stars are called galaxies. Number of galaxies are there in universe. First of all, we should know this. Stars, galaxies and universe. These stars are made of gases, hot gases. They emit light and heat. Okay, and the earth what we are living, where we live, that belongs to the sun. One star. That means we belong to one star. We belong to one star. Along with these planets, we have some satellites are there, asteroids, meteoroids, comets are there. All this together we call as a celestial bodies. What do we call? Celestial bodies. Planets, satellites, asteroids, meteoroids, comets, all together we call celestial bodies. These celestial bodies won't have a light and heat. They depend upon this star. They depend upon star. That star only is the main head of that family, main head of that group. Then in our group, star is the main head. So we call it as a solar system. We call it as a solar system. Solar system. These planets move around this star and they get the light and heat from the star, sun. And these satellites, they are the companions of planets. They also get light and heat from the sun. If you want to know what is a satellite, moon is a satellite. moon is the one of the satellite, one and only satellite of Earth, and it is a companion of Earth also. And along with that, asteroids, meteoroids and comets are also there. Okay, these stars make a constellation. If you observe in the sky, we observe some shapes of the animals in the sky in the night time. The stars that we call as a constellation. What do we call? Constellation. One of the biggest major constellation is in the shape of a bear. We call it as a Ursa Major or Big Bear. One of the famous constellation we know, that is a Saptarshi. What is that? Saptarshi. What do we call? It is a group of 7 stars. The Saptarshi constellation consists of 7 stars. How many are there in? How many stars are there in Saptarshi? 7 stars are there. Okay. Then now we will discuss about our solar system. Our solar system. In our solar system, the sun is the main head. No? Then around the sun, some 8 planets, some satellites and asteroids, meteoroids, all these move around this sun. We call it as a solar system. Now we will discuss about this sun. Sun is a bright. It emits hot gases. If you want, it is the temperature. The temperature at the surface of the sun is around 6,000 degrees Celsius. What is the temperature near the sun? 6,000 degrees Celsius. But we are not feeling that much heat here. Why? Because the earth is far away from sun. Nearly 150 million kilometers far away from us. So we can't feel it. While exerting, we are able to get only a little bit percentage of the heat only we are able to get it. Okay, next part is planets. How many planets are there in our solar system? 8 are there. How many are there? 8 are there. They are fixed in some lines in their orbital planes. They won't come across. They won't intersect with each other. These 8 planets, in these 8 planets, 4 planets from the nearest to the sun, we call first 4 as inner planets, which are made of some rocks, and the last 4 planets we call it as outer planets. They are made of liquids and gases. First, inner planets. The inner planets are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars. These are the inner planets. Outer planets, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. These are the planets. Inner planets, outer planets. These are made of rocks and these are made of hot gases and liquids. In this, Mercury is the nearest star. And Neptune is the farthest planet. Mercury is the nearest planet and Neptune is the farthest planet. Here, the biggest planet is Jupiter, biggest. And the nearest planet to us, our Earth, is Mars. The second planet, whatever is that Venus, is known as Earth's twin, because in the size and in its features, it looks like Earth. That's right, Venus is called as Earth's twin. To remember this, this order, we should learn one sentence. By getting that line, by reading that line or by getting that line, we can get the planets in order. That is, my very educated mom, my very educated mother just served us noodles. What is that? My very educated mom just served us noodles. Then we will get the planets in order. The remaining topic we will discuss in the next class. Thank you, children.